Class 8 Maths Chapter 16 Introduction to Graph. Let's discuss how to plot a point in a Cartesian plane. Finding the position of a point in a Cartesian plane is called plotting a point. Let us plot the point A 1, 3, B -2, 4, C -2, -2 and D 2, -3 on a Cartesian plane. First of all, draw two mutually perpendicular lines XO X dash and YO Y dash on a graph paper. Mark the point O. To plot point A 1, 3, we start from O and move 1 unit along x-axis to the right of O and reach the point marked 1. Then move 3 units upward along the y-axis and mark the point A 1, 3. Now to plot the point B -2, 4, we start from O and move 2 units along x-axis to the left of O and reach the point marked -2. From there, we move 4 units upward along y-axis. Mark the point at that place and write B -2, 4. Now to plot point C -2, -2, we start from O and move 2 units to the left of O along x-axis and reach the point -2. From there, we move 2 units downwards along y-axis. Mark a point at that place and write C -2, -2. Now to plot point D 2, -3, we start from the origin O and move 2 units to the right of O along the x-axis and reach the point marked 2. From there, we move 3 units downward along the y-axis. Mark the point at that place and write D 2, -3. Now look at the graph and write the coordinates of point A, B, C and D. To find the coordinates of point A, draw the perpendicular from point A to x-axis and to y-axis. Now for point A, the x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 1. So point A is 3, 1. Now to find the coordinates of point B, draw the perpendicular from point B to x-axis and to y-axis. So the x coordinate of point B is -2 and the y coordinate of point B is 4. Now to find the coordinates of point C, again draw perpendicular from point C to x-axis and to y-axis. Now The x coordinate of point C is 0 and the y coordinate of point C is -2. So the coordinates of point C is 0, -2. Now to find the coordinates of point D, again draw a perpendicular from point D to x-axis and to y-axis. The x coordinate of point D is 4 and the y coordinate of point D is -1. So the coordinates of point D is 4, -1.